Hello my dear students, welcome in maths class. In this video I am going to discuss exercise 5.2 question number 5 to question number 8. So let's start with the question number 5. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. The first part of question number 5 is 7, 13, 19, so on so 205. So here given APs 7, 13, 19, so on so last term is 205. A is here 7 and difference is second term minus first term, that is 13 minus 7 is 6, and 205 is the last term, so an is 205. Formula of nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d is 205. Now substitute these values. A is 7, d is 6, so after substituting you 7 plus n minus 1 into 6 is 205. Now 7 I am shifting to the right hand side. It becomes n minus 1 into 6 is equal to 205 minus 7, it is equal to 198. Now 6 is multiplied with n minus 6, and when I will shift to the right side it will divide. So n minus 1 is equal to 198 upon 6. 6 3s are 18, 6 1s are 6 3s are 18, remainder is 1, 18, 6 3s are 18, so it is coming 33. So n minus 1 is equal to 33, 1 shift to the right side, it becomes n is equal to 33 plus 1, 34. So number of terms are 34 here. In part 2, question number 5, 18, 15 and a half, 13, so on so minus 47. So given AP is 18, 15 and a half, 13, so on so minus 47. A is 18, difference second term minus first term, that is 15 and a half minus 18. So after solving it is coming 15 to the 30 plus 1, 31 by 2 minus 18, and when we'll take the LCM, after taking LCM it is coming minus 5 by 2. So difference is minus 5 by 2 here, and nth term is minus 47. So formula of nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 47. Value of a is 18, d is minus 5 by 2. Substituting all values it is coming 18 plus n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47. So 18, when I shift to the right side it becomes minus 18, so minus 47 on minus of 18 it becomes minus of 65. So n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is coming minus 5 by 2, and after this it is n minus 1. I am doing this cross multiplication here. 2 is in the denominator this side, when I will shift to the other side 2 will go in the numerator and minus 5 will go in the denominator part. So minus and minus will cancel out. 5 into 13 is 65. So 13 to the 26, n minus 1 is equal to 26, and value of n is 26 plus 1, 27. Question number 6 is, check whether minus 150 is the term of this arithmetic progression. So we have to check this minus 150 is the term of this sequence or not. So given AP is 8, 11, 8, 5, 2. So from here A is 11, D is second term minus first term, that is 8 minus 11 is minus 3. This minus 150 we will consider it is an, and after considering an and after solving, if a number of terms are coming and is coming positive integer, then we will say that yes, it is a term. And if answer is coming in decimal, if answer is coming in fraction, then we will say that minus 150 is not the term of this arithmetic progression. So considering minus 150 as an is minus 150, so a plus n minus 1 into d, this is a formula of nth term. Now substitute value of a and d here. Minus 11 will shift to the other side, so it becomes positive 11 will shift to the other side, it becomes minus of 11. So minus 150 and minus 11, it is minus of 161. So n minus 1 into minus 3 is minus of 161. Minus 3, when I will shift to the other side, it will divide. So n minus 1 is equal to 161 upon 3. And minus 1 shifted on the side, it becomes positive. So when we'll solve it with the help of taking LCM, so it becomes 161 plus 3 upon 3, 164, and after solving it is coming 54.6. So we can't say that the number of terms in the arithmetic progression is 54.6. So therefore minus 150 is not the term of this given AP. If value of n is positive integer, then we will say yes, and if it is coming in fraction or in decimal or in negative value, then we will say that this is not the term of this arithmetic progression. Now the next question is find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38. So 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So A11 is A plus 10D with the help of nth term formula. Now 10D I have shifted to another side, it becomes minus of 10D. Now A16 is A plus 15D. This is also with the help of nth term formula. Substitute equation number 1 in 2. So 2 is A plus 15D, and from one equation number 1, value of A is 38 minus 10D. So 38 minus 10D plus 15D, it is coming 38 plus 5D is equal to 73, and 5D is equal to 73 minus 38. So it is coming 35. So after the solving, it is coming D is equal to 7. So D is 7. Now we will substitute the value of D in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is 38 minus 10D. So we will find A and D, and then we can find any other term. So it is given here, find the 31st term. So D is equal to 7. We are substituting this value in equation number 1, and after substituting, it is coming 38 minus 7D. So first term is coming minus 32, and difference is coming 7 here. So A31 is A plus 30D. So value of A is minus 32 plus 30 into 7, that is 210. 210 minus of 32, it is coming 178. Now the question number 8 is, this is a very important question. An AP consists of 50 terms in which third term is 12. Now third term is 12 and it is given that last term, this is very important point here, last term is 106. And AP have total 50 terms, so it means the last term is the 50th term. If it is given that an AP has AP of 20 terms, then it means then arithmetic progression has 20 terms and 20th term is the last term. But here it is given that 50 terms, so 50th term is the last term. And the remaining method is the same like previous question. A3 is 12, that is A plus 2D, and A is equal to 12 minus 2D, given equation number 1. It has 50 terms, so last term is the 50th term. So A50 is equal to 106. So A plus 49D, by using nth term formula, substitute equation number 1 in 2, A plus 49D is equal to 106. So 12 minus 2D, that is a value of A from equation number 1, and after solving it is coming 47D. 12 I have shifted to another side, it is coming 94. So after solving it is coming D is equal to 2. Now substitute this value of D in equation number 1, that is 12 minus 2D, 12 minus 2 into 2, it is coming 8. So we have to find here 29th term. So 29th term is A plus 28D, that is 8 plus 28 into D, 8 plus 56. So 29th term is coming 64. So next questions I will discuss in my next video. Thank you.